Joe. What are we doing today?
So today we're going to be trying Topdon's new top key to replace my spare key. Before we can do that though, we got to head to the locksmith. Let's go. All right, we're here. Let's get this key cut.
Return the original to the customer, which is very important. Like that back.
Did it work?
Key's cut, so we'll see. All right, so we got to see if the key was cut properly. It works.
So now that we got the key cut, what do we have to do?
All right, key's cut, so we're heading back to the apartment to try and do the programming. Let's go. The key was cut right. We're on to the programming. All we're gonna need is my phone, the VCI, and the key. Now that the VCI is bound to my phone, we're gonna go to add key, and we'll just follow the instructions on the screen. All right, so we've got a match. Let's see if it'll start the car. Don't blow up.
Ah!
All right. The top key was great. Did just what I needed. It was super simple, easy to use. I love it. Thanks, guys. See you next time.